Ito ang part ng agarwood business na hindi mo basta makikita sa ibang kumpanya. Ito yung agarwood trees, ito yung mga harvest namin, nakukuha namin sa iba't ibang plantation sites namin. Brooks Point, Palawan, Bataraza, Palawan, Lopez, Quezon, Tupi, South Cotabato, General Santos. And syempre, malaking bahagi ng process na ito yung inoculation. Inoculation is used to stimulate resin formation sa loob ng puno ng agarwood. Sa Dendrotonics, we have developed our own Filipino-made inoculation technology. This is designed for Philippine agarwood, tsaka all the advantages for you. Hindi lang namin tinitingnan kung gaano kabilis lumaki ang puno. Tinitingnan din namin kung paano ito magiging good quality agarwood na may potential market value. Kaya kung gusto mong maintindihan ng agarwood business, don't just ask magkano ang seedlings. Ask, paano magiging valuable ang puno ko?